So since 2020, I've been doing Amazon KDP. And if you have been doing Amazon KDP for more than 2 years, you realize that there's always a pattern when it comes to during the Christmas period. It's the biggest time in Amazon when it comes to sales. Now, but most people don't understand how it works so that they can take advantage of it. So as the title implies, Christmas does not actually start in December. It actually starts in August. The first time I ever made $1,000 was in October 2020. That was the first time I made $1,000 on Amazon KDP. Before that, I had not made up to $1,000. I was making close to about $800 to $500, but immediately I hit that October, it moved to $1,000. November, it kept increasing till I got to December. Then in January, it will start coming down gradually again. And it's this particular time that you are supposed to start preparing to take advantage of what is going to happen within the festive season, because there's going to be massive sales. A lot of sales is going to be happening. People are going to be buying a lot of gifts for other people, and sales across multiple or almost every niche will definitely increase. So the question is, how are you going to position your books and yourself in such a way that you can actually benefit from this Christmas rush that is coming? So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you are actually going to benefit from what is about to happen during the Q4 season and how you are going to take advantage of it. So how do you prepare for this season? This season is basically based on the niche that you are in. Personally, I don't like making seasonal books. But when it comes to Christmas, Christmas is actually a beautiful time because the sales is not just something that happens in a day. Let's say Mother's Day or Father's Day or Easter. It's not just a day something. It happens over a longer period of time. So the best kind of niche, seasonal niche that you want to go into is usually the Christmas season niche, right? Because that is the time where the sales is not just restricted only to a day or a week. It's actually a prolonged period of time that people keep buying books, particularly for Christmas. So if you want to start benefiting from the Christmas rush, the best niches to want to go into is the Christmas niche right now. So you want your book to start developing sales history. You want Amazon to start indexing your book so that Amazon can know that, okay, when people are searching for this particular product, they can recommend your book to them so that they can buy. So this is something that you actually want to do. So going into the Christmas niche at this particular time is not a bad idea at all. It's actually a very good idea. And if you already have books in other niches, just like I do, what you want to also do is that you also want to position yourself so that your book can actually be ranking on the first page, so that when people come on Amazon and they want to buy, they don't have to scroll too much. They will see your book and they want to buy. And usually, obviously, you know how to do it. The first way to get to your book to be on the first page is through ads. So if you are running ads on your book on Amazon, you definitely are going to be on the first page, depending on how much you are willing to spend to get your book on the first page, right? So that is one way. Though during the Christmas season, ad spend usually goes up because Amazon have a lot of people that are now competing for the space. So because you are bidding for this particular space, the price usually goes up. But however, make sure that you are running ads during this period because you are actually going to get your good returns. Your ACoS is going to be very low in this period. People are flocking into Amazon because of this season. Now, another thing you also want to do is that you also want to make sure that you try as much as possible to see if you can get a bestseller badge for your book. Getting a bestseller badge for your book helps your book stand out. And the easiest way to get a bestseller badge for your book is to put your book in a category that have very low competition. So most of the times when you want to put your book on a category, most people just put their book on a random category, which is very, very wrong. What you want to do is that make sure that your book is placed in a category where the people in that particular category are not making so much sales so that you can easily beat them. When immediately you get that bestseller badge and you're running ads on your book will start flying and sales will start coming in immediately, right? So another thing you can actually do to take advantage of this particular season is that make sure that you can actually have a Christmas package for your book. So if you already have a book that is existing and is making good sales for you, one thing you can actually do is that you can create another Christmas package for that particular book, like a complimentary Christmas gift or a complimentary Christmas package for that particular book, right? So I have a video on how to create complimentary books. I'll link the video in the description so that you can go and watch just in case you're interested. So you can actually make something to complement it for the Christmas season and link it. So when people come to your product page to come and buy on Amazon, they can definitely see that you have other products that they can actually buy for this season, which is a beautiful idea for anybody that wants to try that out. Now, another thing that you should do during this period is also position yourself for books that are going to sell during January, right? So during the whole festive period, people are buying books, people are spending lavishly, but when it comes to January, people now want to start buying books that have to do with their productivity and their yearly goals, right? So you now also want to see how you can position yourself to create books that people are going to use to become productive for the year. So for example, we are talking about books that have to do with health and fitness, very, very important. Books that have to do with money goals, books that have to do with productivity. These kind of books do well in the January season because that's the time where everybody will be like, okay, I want to start a new year, this is a new year, this is a new goal, I want to go into this, I want to go into that. So now your book is like a tool to help them get to their goal. So apart from just enjoying from what is happening in Christmas, you also position yourself so that you can also enjoy what is going to happen in January, because January also has a lot of sales, but not in the same niches like December and November, right? But January niches are usually niches that have to do with people trying to be productive, people trying to make the best of the year for them, right? So that is something that you should want to focus on. And if you have not already subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button right now. So if you already have a book that you want to get published on Amazon so that you can take advantage of this season that is coming, and you want professional help when it comes to getting the right keywords, writing your book description, helping you run ads, helping you with your A+ content, even helping you with your book cover, then I'll leave a link in the description so that you can actually reach out to me and I can help you do that. And also, if you already have a book on Amazon that is not getting sales, primarily one of the things that is making you not to have sales on Amazon is because you have ignored the 17 things you are supposed to do after your book gets live on Amazon, right? So most people that are struggling with sales currently on Amazon is simply because after they publish their books, they just let the book be. They don't know that there are other things that they have to do in order for their book to be very, very successful on Amazon. So if you want to know exactly those things that you need to do immediately your book goes live on Amazon, then you should watch this video here where I show you the same things you need to do immediately after your book gets published on Amazon.